Understanding proposal acceptance in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase in the English language: proposal acceptance. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just brushing up on your language skills, understanding such phrases is key to improving your communication. Proposal acceptance is not just about saying yes to a question. It's a rich concept used in various contexts, from business to personal life. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. Proposal acceptance refers to the act of agreeing or consenting to a proposal or offer made by another party. It signifies a positive response and the willingness to proceed with what has been proposed. This can happen in several scenarios, such as business deals, where one company agrees to the terms offered by another. Project proposals, where a plan or idea is accepted to move forward. Marriage proposals, where one individual agrees to marry the person who proposed. Research or academic proposals, where a study or project idea is approved. In each case, proposal acceptance is a crucial step that moves an idea or relationship forward. Expressing proposal acceptance can be done in various ways, depending on the formality of the situation and the medium of communication. Here are some examples. In formal contexts, like business or academics, acceptance is often communicated through a written response or official document, such as an acceptance letter or email. Phrases like, "We are pleased to accept your proposal," or "I am delighted to accept the offer," are commonly used. In informal contexts or personal situations, acceptance might be expressed verbally, with phrases like, "Yes, I'd love to," or simply, "I accept." When accepting a proposal, clarity is key. It's important to be specific about what you are agreeing to avoid misunderstandings. Express enthusiasm or gratitude, which can help strengthen relationships, whether they're professional or personal. Outline next steps or actions that will follow the acceptance, to ensure both parties are on the same page. Understanding and effectively using the phrase, proposal acceptance, can greatly enhance your communication skills in English. It's not just about the words you choose but also about the context, the clarity, and the way you convey your acceptance. We hope this video has been helpful in shedding light on this topic. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more proficient and confident in your English communication. See you in our next video. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Happy learning!